Kasano say the democracy that is under threat is within the new patriotic party. Medomoka say ayeminia na no bre eboa aba fie ha o trase Ali Ibrahim Wakebi enti mamiti na anodisem na say
ana domnya
na na say obuofui
na say o ye interview na first lo mo wuzu na all he does is to run the party down now on fair other people to counter it's unfair.
Now, Pacho, did you listen to the start of the program at the start? Do you know what the people I talked
to? And the thing he said was extremely.
What did he say about Stika? That wasn't true.
Cars came before Stika came to the office. I was in fact I've been to Stika office several times now. This issue was discussed. Cars were in Maslow's custody before Stika came to the office. So the contract was signed. The cars came, but about the office, the cars were already supplied.
Were supplied?
Yes,
but there was nothing like renegotiation.
The cars were since the cars were not supplied. They wouldn't have because the cars.
How can you say
the cars were supplied, but it was too expensive to sell them, and then the cars were in fact not full. So Stika had to negotiate because who now cars no who on fire car here. Because the DPI people were not ready to accept it. GRP people were not ready to accept the cars. So he had to go and renegotiate because cars no. So cars got on cars now. Now one here but where you can say a DPI people because it's not the buy no. Almost someone.
I think who paid for the cars?
Tina Mekano. The guy said the cars were not supplied until Stika the cars they buy. The contract was signed and it was binding on government.
That's it.
On Maslow.
Yet me terminate contract at any time.
Sure. Now, wouldn't the clause in the contract? The contract you cancel. You pay.
Did you read that contract?
And I may say. So if I'm already here,
I'm asking you. You are explaining it.
The guy has cast a allegation on people.
What allegation has he cast?
And I may say, say the cars were not supplied during it was supplied earlier before a car's office or the entrance or more.
Because I want us to go into the document because I have the court's judgment over here.
I mean, in fact, at the point you're using words on MPP. I will send the topic to discuss. Demonstration, yes. I'm chair in penny for the chair just in Kodiani, my chairman name penny for. You see. Sometimes when people are in government, they talk as if the whole Ghana belongs to them. Me say MPP for in answer. Me name on this will be our answer as MPP for. Not even one single person. They say look at me chairman. Na mo se mo answer.
Bepato, if you have come here to be using words on people who are not here, you can say some of those things, but you can't relate it to no, please. So I'm hurt by that one because you are impugning my integrity on the show. Please. No, Baba, please. You no, Debbie, but mentioning that name.
I'll mention
that name. Please,
I'm sorry, I won't mention names.
Withdraw.
I've withdrawn.
That's fine.
But I can say it on authority that there's no single person who is more sensible than people before. We are very sensible. We are knowledgeable. And then I'm also here. And then this is for some school. MPP4, we have a lot of sense. Now, Accra FM, it's make us say, Obia.
We are not talking about something you've heard somewhere, but what we are talking on today now is demonstration. Debbie, no, please. No, please. Oh, no, please. No, please. No, Debbie, wait. Debbie, wait, please. There's a demonstration coming up tomorrow. You have reasons.
I'm giving you examples of things they have said. So nothing was happening.
So you don't make mention of any radio station on this platform.
Yes, on a radio station.
Sure.
In Accra here.
Sure.
Somebody sat on that station and said, and somebody who was appointed by their government at a small arms commission was supplying arms to the Boko conflict. Listen well. My body, he sat on that station and says, that man is supplying arms to people at Boko. Who has called the person? Who has called him to other persons? Saturday, if I sit on this platform and say same thing, who don't think I will not be called?
You'll be called.
The one non the can be unfriendly here. You see?
So you are talking about selective justice here.
I am saying, say me believe Fred now will channel. Now this is friend or can I channel. Nobody has a qualm. I mean, who complain? Baby answer sat on a platform and said, say, every before, yeah, mua. Now I was a get my area. Also, be a doing people or ya boa or say just my area because I didn't need a trip.
That's a serious
Captain Smart. So obi o to when people need bia or you Jimmy for
a brother no muka asam.
Oh, in fact, Bobby Ansa can say this week here.
I've not heard that of Bobby Ansa, but I heard that of Captain Smart. That was prior to the 2024 election.
Yes.
So then
so it should tell you. That should tell you the tolerance level of Nana Akufo-Addo.
But say Captain was invited on several occasions.
That Captain Smart interview invitation was not on because it was on Obi Asem. Fraud Asem. Meaning, all I'm saying is that Yakasa democracy is a traitor. We say this because, let me tell you, they can go to appeal. Other than all NDC people are for the judgment of Ferdinand. Now, I told you that they also appeal. A camouflage. They will leave the woman here. We said it and we are saying it now.
But you believe in the rule of law?
What made Mahama say, President Mahama says, the Supreme Court unanimous action. They believe, no, that's what I believe now. What he believed in the position, that's what I believe now. His believed in the position is my belief now. Ni man no can say, "Omo bombi CJ, number is omo no." And na me then the man who then na ohu yenti o say CJ no bias towards them. And no say democracy is an traitor. It is an threat because NDC says things and they go scot free. But OMPP near, no, you have no right to talk. Say Yetika several times. NDC Kanoma, they say, in fact, they say things. Me unya kwanya on. Sanya Bahanuma, you can't say you don't allow certain things more. Certain station, maybe the natural on offer the tea area. The tea area. From Akufo-Addo time, they've hot insult. So bit transaction so. I can say Akufo-Addo play man. I find more for me.
So you see, the problem is that the Criminal Offences Act, na ewoho, the Electronic Communications Act, na ewoho. It has come out explicitly say obi publish false news. No ebetimi ama oyene ato oman ya. Say nipa no emrane nindi. Under your watch, montimi ama emrana nyejuma. So who do you blame?
Papa, Semrano, yedi eduma President Mahama Kra to them. If that is what you are saying.
Oh yes.
Because I
know
what count kana. President Mahama, which president has used such F words on people than President Mahama? Now, Oba power you cry no. I don't know Yakoka.
F words ben way.
I call area. I penny. Nansina Martin Pebu. Yakoka say I say Oba try how do you call it? As Graciable. I know Okasa only can't find the Emra because on GB. Then Okacha. Here when you are a leader, you must learn to stomach nonsense. Me, I am MPP. I lead a lot of team people. In fact, my school platform, so me a leader. Or there are times I've said several platforms, yeah, politics or platforms. People come and insult MPP or platforms, because I don't know politics. You understand? And you say, we a leader. Now, no man, maybe I'm going to meet you. Then,
that is my observation.
Of course, you are entitled to it.
Yes, I'm entitled to it.
Yes.
You can't take it away from me.
Of course, I respect
because
it.
Likewise, some time ago, I sat here and I talked about Kojo Ponkruma, Samia Uko. They are also
Papa,
good guys. They are also good guys. Yes.
I don't begrudge you.
Sure.
It's your opinion.
Sure.
And I must respect it.
Good.
But me, I have a different opinion about him.
That's fine. That's you.
You understand?
Sure.
Because before he got to Gold Board was PMMC. It was there.
I know.
And they were working very hard as well. You understand? And maybe anyway, you say I will be this thing. And you don't yeah. So no, and now Otmania no, at me casa. Now, something got a hand anyway. Me say, one time TV so I can't tell people before say, right, but the Kufaro. So, I can say,
you see, me, the problem I have with the NPP was that
you have a problem with us because we have a small boy.
Because
if a man old enough to be a grandfather, what can they say?
Who did tie? Science nyinaa eyesinto on the part of the pana wo yes ade no
yo
eyemfunso kese ma o man Ghana
ono be leader
wait de me kan wo nti ase me se de sa niema na wo mu ye no enye niema pa en Ghana ha obi anso nche mra wo ye nyina ye hye bi ase. So when you are in charge of governance, all other arms under you, including the police service, what do you have to do? Crack the whip. Crack the whip.
So
some publish false news na chemia. So crack the whip.
Say
social media no so I time atamdidie basa no, it's getting out of hand.
No man some fi
until you let him go then. You let him go then.
So now he has become a leader, so we should praise him.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Unless Babu,
so you see,
he will lie and insult people, and then they reward you with a position. And he says, we should praise him.
No, the praising I'm praising him is with respect to a Jumana or the outcomes, you know. And no na mejina so dia bona baso. And of course, he's been rated the best CEO.
Oh, in the world of the blind, one eye is a master.
Oh. Hey, Raddy. Hey!